Hello, guys. Antoine McVeigh here with Liberium Crypto. I am excited because, as you know, we are in a pre-launch of Liberium Crypto, and we're just allowing customers to enroll for free just to kind of get in position. And at the same time, they're bringing on referrals because they know others that would love to be involved with a crypto trading platform where consumers can control their money at all time. And I am here interviewing one of Liberium Crypto's pro traders who I believe is a value asset in the BTC pair trading. And so I'd like to welcome to our call, Mr. Carlo Cruz. Carlo, how are you, sir?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you.
Man, thank you so much for just taking the time to, share with customers a little bit about who you are and your experience in trading. I have seen your numbers. I have been working with you over the past year in trading, and you are very impressive. And I know that those who are looking to do BTC pair trading with Liberium Crypto, once we launch it, man, you will be one of those pro traders that they definitely want to look at. So I want to allow the consumers to get to know who you are. If you don't mind, just tell us a little bit about you, where you're from, and how long you've been trading.
Yeah, so again, my name is Carlo Cruz. I'm from Beaumont, Texas. It's close to Houston. And I've been trading for, well, a little over 4 years now. And my specialty, actually, I know some of you probably know that trading USDT pairs and everything. I do pretty good on that, but my specialty have always been Bitcoin accumulation. And in order to do that, I trade BTC out pair. And I've been doing that for over 3 years now.
So you say Bitcoin accumulation. So that is, in essence, you're saying when you're trading with Bitcoin in pairs, you are accumulating more Bitcoin. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah, instead of having to go out of pocket, some people believe the only way to accumulate Bitcoin is to buy more. No, you can trade Bitcoin out pair to get more Bitcoin without having to spend more dollar.
Got it. So tell me, because I believe you like the BTC pair versus the swing and spot trading. You do spot trading and swing trading, but I think you like the BTC pair a lot better. Maybe explain why that is.
Yeah, so I guess you'd call me as a Bitcoin maximalist, but I truly believe Bitcoin is still way undervalued. A lot of people forget the real basic fact that there's only 21 million that exist, and no one can create any more. That's it. And looking at the gold market cap of $11 trillion in market cap, while Bitcoin right now is standing at less than 1 trillion, right? Even if Bitcoin gets $5 trillion in market cap, which is half of what gold's doing, we'll be well over 200K per Bitcoin. That's just facts right there.
I agree with you, Carlo, 1000%. And which is why, as you stated, I love the fact you talk about accumulating more. I am in the accumulating Bitcoin business. So I like that you were able to break that down. So let me ask this question. They're talking about bull market, bear market. Are you able to trade in both the bull market and bear market?
So on Bitcoin out pair trading, yes, it's actually more technical. But once you understand the concept, it's actually a bit simpler than trading USD. So one way to explain this, the crypto market goes in one direction when you're comparing it with a dollar. When Bitcoin goes down, the whole market goes down, as far as dollar amount. But when you're comparing Bitcoin against other altcoins, right?
Right.
Sometimes Bitcoin goes down faster than other altcoins. Sometimes altcoin goes down faster than Bitcoin, and vice versa. Sometimes it goes up faster. So with the Bitcoin and alt pair against each other, it's there's always trades to be made there, especially
Gotcha.
if we have so much more pairs to choose from, you know.
That's true.
So,
You do. You have
so
so many
mhm,
pairs to choose from to
right,
make profits. So
right.
then if someone is choosing to follow you, ideally, what should they, well, okay, here's one thing we can kind of eliminate that myth. People think that they can take $1,000, $2,000, Carlo, and make $200,000 in 30 days. from
Yeah,
trading. And the
yeah,
reality is this is real trading here, but
right.
consumers have control of their money. The trades are fully automated. So for those who are customers, you don't have to be the expert. The beauty of Liberium crypto is you get to follow an expert and take the
Yeah,
exact same trade they're taking automatically, even while you're sleeping. And so
yeah.
ideally, Carlo, tell us about what is a good strategy for someone who want to follow you in terms of per trade amount and money and things of that nature.
Yeah, so as far as going into it, right? I know a lot of people, um, they don't want to or don't have like thousands and thousands of funds. I'm one of them. When I got started, I started out with $2,000, right?
Okay.
The
Yep.
mindset we need to have is, if you're gonna start out with 2,000, $5,000, right? Do not think that you can make 2,000 to $5,000 a month with that type of fund, because if you think
Right.
about it, if you even with 5K, right? Even with 5K, 2,000, 5,000 a month, you have to consistently do 50% a month. That's
Right.
yeah,
Right.
that real trading,
Not realistic.
that's actually godlike if someone can do that.
Right. Right. Right.
So I got to where I am. I'm a full-time trader now. I got to where I am. It took me 4 years to do. So with 2,000 bucks, you can actually compound and keep compounding that until you get to a comfortable target, maybe whether that be 30K or 50K.
Mm-hmm.
But the power of compounding, yeah, 30K or 50K sounds a lot, but it doesn't take that long if you just keep compounding your gains. So
Right.
it took me about three, less than 4 years to get to where I am now. And think about it, once you get to 30 or 50K, let's just say 50K, my on a bear market, I still average about 15%. On a bull market, I'm averaging way more than that. But 15% of $50,000 is 7,500 bucks. Well, more than enough to live off of, right?
Yeah.
And for
That's passive income.
yeah,
Yeah. That's yeah.
yeah,
So you're saying for someone who can start out at $1,000, $2,000, they can compound their trades and just build and work their way up to building that portfolio up to create that passive income where they can live on it. Because a lot of people
right,
think they could take $2,000 and earn enough in trading and live on it. Well, that's just not realistic at all.
right,
However, you can make some great passive income and you can continue to compound that income and grow that portfolio up to where you can get to the point where you have enough money and you're trading and you can live off those trades.
right. And I actually have a mindset presentation about my philosophy in compounding and
Mm-hmm.
making this into a full-time income. I guess we can schedule a Zoom webinar
Sure.
about that, and I'm
Absolutely.
more than be happy to explain everything. Mhm.
Absolutely. What I like to do now, let's just kind of show some of your numbers because obviously Liberium crypto has not launched yet. There's no trading that's taking place. We know that's coming. And so one of the questions that customers always have, well, let me see your trade history. Well, we don't have any trade history from Liberium crypto other than what Carlo has done. And so I've got some of his numbers. I'm going to share my screen right now where you can see exactly what he has done. All right. So here we are, Carlos. So you can maybe explain to consumers what they're looking at here.
Yeah. So here, this is we're going at the bottom, like starting from the bottom and go up, right?
Okay.
Because so the bottom is when I bought the altcoin called UOS, right? I bought UOS with my Bitcoin, right?
Mm-hmm.
And at the average price bought, it's the Bitcoin price of 0.00003246, which we like to say it's, yeah, which we like to say the average price cost is 3246 Satoshis. All right. We don't do the
Mm-hmm.
point zero
Mm-hmm.
zero zero anymore. Okay.
Right.
So the price at which I bought UOS was 3246 Satoshis. And then I sold at 3285 Satoshis. As you can
Right
see,
above there. Mm-hmm.
there's a gain there. So I sold at a higher price against Bitcoin, and it went back to Bitcoin. And with that, that is actually a 1.2% gain, right? Why 1.2%? Because KuCoin has a 0.1% in and 0.1% out fee, and I want my
Mm-hmm.
full 1%. So I took
Got it.
care of that by going for 1.2%. So
Got it.
KuCoin can have their fees. I get my full 1%. So when this price triggered, the Bitcoin that I bought with, when it came back into Bitcoin, I have 1% more. And I just do
Got
that
it.
over and over again.
And typically, how long will those trades stay open when you buy versus when you close?
With Bitcoin alt pair, it's the volatility against Bitcoin alt pairs are a lot faster than
Mm-hmm.
USD
Mm-hmm.
Bitcoin or USD alt pair. So I get a lot of trades where it would actually go in and out within seconds,
Wow.
or within minutes. Now there are some that will stay probably a few hours or even 24 hours, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm-hmm.
a, a lot will, a lot of them is like just an hour or less, in and out.
So you're looking to get in and looking to get out rather quickly. Here, let's go to another page here. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks like we got another one here.
Yeah. So this one is Darrow BTC. I bought in. Average price that I bought in at is 22,128 Satoshis. That's the average price. And then I sold average price at 22,394 Satoshis. So that's another
Mm-hmm.
1.2%. So KuCoin got their 2% fee, and I got my full 1%. And if you look at the timestamp here, it says January 10 on
Mm-hmm.
1540, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then it
Mm-hmm.
sold at January 10, 1800. So that's
Yeah,
all.
in and
What?
out.
That's about 2 hours. That's a little over
2
two
hours.
hours.
Yep, in and out, picking up 1%, netting 1% there. All right. Then let's look at another one real quick. Let's see here. All right, here we go. Here's another one here.
There's another one. This is Rune. This is actually Thor Chain. One of my favorite. They're actually working on what do you call that? Oof, I had a brain fart there. The verse.
It's okay.
Was it a multi? No, it's not a multiverse. This is Spider-Man.
Right.
But but yeah, like decentralized mana and all that stuff.
Sure,
Um,
sure.
so anyway, Store Chain Rune, I bought that at 15,744 Satoshis. Okay. And then I sold at 15,933 Satoshis. That's another 1.5% gain there. Timestamp is January 12, 2209. And then it sold at January 12, 2210. That was 1 minute. In and
Wow.
out.
In and out, in and out. Imagine doing that a few times a day if the market allows it. Wow, that's awesome. Okay, then let's look. What are we looking at here, Carlo, for
So
customers?
here, this is actually my annual report in KuCoin when I've been trading with. Um, what's crazy is this report was actually based from August to December, because before that I was trading with Binance. So from August to December, I did an annual trading volume of well, actually August to December, I did a trading volume of over 2 million USDT. I don't necessarily have that much money. What that means is all the trades I've done going, let's say I made a $5,000 trade in and out,
Mm-hmm,
and then I made
mm-hmm.
another $5,000 trade. Like you keep accumulating that. From August to December, my trading volume was over $2 million.
Just
And my
means you're doing a lot of trade volume, my friend.
right, right. And my portfolio performed better than 98.58% of all KuCoin users around the world.
Oh my goodness. Carlo, man, that's outstanding. And this actual comes from KuCoin, this report. This is not something you create. This is a report that actually comes from the exchange itself, KuCoin. And by the way, KuCoin is one of the exchanges that consumers can use with Liberium crypto. And so guys, you're looking at real raw numbers right here from August 2021 to December of 2021 from one of our pro traders, Carlos Cruz here.
Mm-hmm.
Man, Carlo, man, thank you so much for your time. And I'm sure we'll do more Zooms, especially as we launch in the Liberium crypto, where you can again share your strategies and everything with the customers and followers. Guys, you're hearing from one of the pro traders from Liberium crypto that you can choose and select to follow as your pro trader. Carlo, I want to thank you for your time. Any closing words you'd like to share?
I do want to add one more thing about that picture from my annual report.
Sure.
Just to let you know, with KuCoin, I've never once traded with a USDT pair. So this number here that you see is just based off of Bitcoin altcoin pair trading, straight up.
Right. Awesome. Well, Carlo, thank you so very much, man, for all that you do, man. And hey, welcome to Liberium crypto. Thank you. All right, thanks for your time. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you.
All right.